Welcome to creating the supply chain of tomorrow. As we had a good time in the logistics corner within the last weeks, I am now happy to welcome you in our retail area. Let's discover together. With e-commerce across Europe continuing to grow, retailers are turning to technology to enhance the customer experience and to bring shoppers back to the physical store. So let me introduce you some very special solutions for this industry.
To drive efficiencies and manage stock effectively, the move to electronic shelf labeling (ESL) is becoming an important step for retailers. Panasonic provides turnkey ESL solutions including interfacing and integrating to the existing IT infrastructure, as well as a complete maintenance service. Here at the CXC, we have an innovative ESL demo station established where we research on better and more efficient ways to link pricing with other car management systems such as category management, inventory, and forecasting, or even AI-driven applications like the solutions from our subsidiary Blue Yonder. By centrally changing the price or product information on a PC or even a mobile app, electronic shelf labels throughout the stores are automatically updated at the touch of a button. Users report a 100% reduction in pricing errors and an 80% time saving on price updates, enabling staff to be deployed in more effective customer-facing activities. And not to forget about the paper and printing resources that can be saved thanks to electronic shelf labels. These labels can also be used to enhance the customer experience. As an example, QR codes on the labels can be scanned by shoppers to see ingredients, recipes, or even marketing offers and competitions. Thanks to AI, features like age and gender recognition, as well as digital signage, can increase the shopping experience even more. Shopper analytics and statistical information can support interior design and time-based pricing decisions. Various different ESL sizes for all kinds of requirements are available that can be easily connected to any POS to the ESL management software for easy installation. For retail staff, rugged Toughbook handheld devices can be used for product and label matching, scanning barcodes, or accessing stock information from the shop floor.
Well, that was just the beginning of our shopping experience. There's a lot more to come. So please contact us if you are ready for an in-person retail experience right here in Munich. See you soon!